So starting looking at the file, we're going to open up the map and just locate it in the top left. And so we're going to click into it as it loads. This is how we're going to load up our file for our map. We're going to click open the file, and then we're going to go to open map, and then we're going to click the open map. But we already have our map set up, so we're just going to go to file again. Then we're going to click the view file after we close this tab, and we're going to go into areas. As that's going to load up, it's going to go load up each one of our holes 1 through 18, and then we're going to zoom into our map here. Here now we're looking at a zoomed in view of hole 3, and we're going to click into hole 3. Then we're going to click and drag the green over onto the green. Then we're going to click and drag the fairway onto the fairway. And then we're going to repeat that step with the approaches. Click and drag it into the approach area. Do that as well for the tees. Click and drag them up to the tees. For our rough as well, click and drag to our rough area. And then do the same for our perimeters. So we'll place our perimeters here. And then grabbing our surrounds finally and placing it here, there. Then we're going to click into our green. And then the heads will pop up for the green. And we're going to click the first green head, and we're going to click and drag it onto where it's supposed to go, and we're going to do that for the second, third, etc. Going into our perimeters, we're going to click and drag the two heads that we have here and place them there. Then moving into our fairways, we're going to click and drag our head onto our fairway head, and then to pair it with another one, we're going to right click and then click the draw rotor and click on the head it is paired with. And then we'll move on to the next head and drag number 2, right click it again, draw rotor, and click on the head it's paired with. And we will continue this for the rest of the fairway heads. As you can see here, we have all of our heads laid out, and we'll be moving into our approaches and clicking and dragging them to our approach. Right clicking again, pressing draw rotor, and clicking to the head that it is paired with. Then moving in the tees, we're going to do the same thing, click and drag our head onto where it's supposed to go, and then we're going to right click again and draw rotor to the sprinkler it's paired with, and we will continue to do that for all the heads on this hole. And finally, for the final sprinkler head on the tee, we see it's a single, so we'll just place it and not right click to add another head. Then moving into our rough heads, we're going to click and drag, and then right click again, click the draw rotor, click to the head it's paired with, and we will do that for the second rough head and continue that process. And this is a final look at how the rough's going to look. Then finally, we'll be moving into our surrounds, and we're going to do the same process we've been doing and clicking and dragging the sprinkler head to its desired location. And if it's a paired head, we're going to right click and press draw rotor and click to the head it's supposed to be paired with. And we'll continue to do this for each of the surrounds heads until completion. Then after placing all the heads on the hole, you will continue this for each of the holes on the course.